The World Health Organization has issued its first report on potential health risks associated with ingesting microplastics. It said the limited data so far appears reassuring.
Now, when we think about the potential risks that they pose and what pathways, there's the issue of a particle, an inert particle, so plastic doesn't chemically react, coming into the body and possibly causing harm in organs and tissues. And the main message is that the vast majority of microplastics would pass harmlessly through the body.
A large source of microplastics comes from drinking water. They are known to enter drinking water sources via runoff or during the bottling and packaging processes. Studies on the issue over the past year have sparked public concerns, but the WHO says microplastics pose a low risk to human health.
However, it also called for more investigation on the effects of ingesting microplastics in food, air and water, including what happens to chemical additives in the particles once they enter the gastrointestinal tract. A recent report from environmental charity WWF International had said that plastic pollution is so widespread that you could be eating what amounts to a credit card a week.